Hello, welcome to Blow Harvest Toys. And you can see I have got a 3D printer. If you've been watching my live streams, you know I've got this. I've been after one for so long and I finally got one. Built it myself, which I'm quite proud of. But the thing is, I was having a lot of issues with it. A lot of issues. I was about to get it, send it back actually, to return it. I was offering over the button to return it, but I'm glad I didn't, because I ordered some springs and some Pritt stick, and it has made a huge difference. So all the prints were failing, unfortunately, but as you can see here, the prints now are near on perfect. The base layer is perfect. It's getting stuck down to the Pritt stick. It's a bit silly that it's got a Pritt stick, but some people use hairspray and things like that, and it's adhesives, but Pritt stick's pretty cheap, so yeah, and it works. I have done some upgrades as well, which I printed off after this, just so the filament doesn't get tangled and the wires don't get tangled, and a little cover for the fan, just so no crap gets into it. There's a little drawer that I'm gonna print as well. But yeah, there's lots of things that you can print for this machine. And I tell you what, I'm so happy that I got it. I'm very happy with it. I did go for a budget one, which is not really a budget because it's still quite expensive. But people say, "What do you want it for?" Well, I just want it because I want it. And I can print things that I like and I want, and that's what I'm doing, and I'm very happy with it. I'm so happy I got it. I might upgrade in the future. I definitely might upgrade in the future, but as for now, I'm quite happy with this. I'm going to upgrade some parts. I do need a new bed there. You can get glass beds, you can get all different beds, but that is the box standard bed that you get with it. So I'm just replacing certain parts. As I said, I did replace the springs, and it really made it a lot better. It levels better now. We've got to get it exactly spot on level, obviously, to print. And yeah, it's just one of the best things I've ever bought, I think, so far. I was in 2 days in, and I was just about to give up. I'm glad I didn't. So here we go. This is just a speeded up film of me building my little boat. So I'll let you watch it, and I'll be back at the end. So there we go. It's amazing what a bit of Pritt stick does. And some new strings. Lovely, lovely. That's a lot better. Fantastic. It's not perfect by any means, so we do need to do some more adjustments. There's a bit of a string in there. Oh, it's gone. But yeah, it's not spot on perfect, but that's perfect enough for me. It's actually done the model this time. See, there's a bit of, yeah, still needs a bit of work, but we're getting there. We've actually done a second finished print, so I'm quite happy with that. Thank you for watching. May Toys be with you.